Spoonity, our goal is to deliver insightful customer data with ease from start to finish. We have added an intuitive step-by-step bar to guide you through onboarding, from configuring your locale settings to setting up your marketing campaigns. This visual tool will put your program up and running within minutes. Also, we have integrated Google into our dashboard, so every time you register a new store, you can pull its information from your Google business profile. And that's only the beginning. Take a step into the future with the Advanced Analytics dashboard and make informed decisions on how to grow your business today. The Advanced Analytics module will give you a new understanding of your loyal customers. Our robust models unlock insights into who your best customers are and enable detailed segmentation based on their loyalty level. Then, you can bring them to their maximum buying potential. Benefit from recommendations on messaging strategies based on their buying behaviors, and offer them the personalized experience they deserve. Start using these new features today and continue to turn your loyal customers into brand ambassadors in a smarter and easier way. Spoonity, the future of loyalty.